And welcome. Today we'll see how can we use the Claude Code. So we're going to explore the Claude Code and how can we integrate it, how can we install it, and we can use it to enhance our productivity and do our project using the AI without going to ChatGPT and pasting the code and all that. Right? So first of all, what you have to do is just go to Google and write Claude Code, right? So here is the anthropic website, and this is the documentation, how can we install it and how can we do all that, right? Anthropic is the, I think, the one which introduced the code, Claude Code, excuse me. So first and the primary requirement for installation is that you must have node version 18 plus, right? So let me to confirm this, what you can do is you can just type node minus minus version like this, or if you have nvm node version manager, then you can do this as well to see which version you have. So I have multiple versions in my uh, installed in my laptop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch it to another version, nvm use 20, right? So now I'm using this version, 20th version. It is 18 plus. So now we can install the Claude Code, right? So what you have to do is just copy the command and paste it over here. It will install it. So meanwhile it is installing, we can see other things as well. You don't have to use the sudo, because sudo is providing the root or the admin level, the privileges. So it can cause the vulnerabilities, and the high risk is involved in the sudo command because of providing all the access, right? And once it is installed, so it is installed, right? So now you just have to go to your directory of your project, and you have to run the Claude to get the assistance from the AI in your coding, right? So what I can do is, I have a small project, I have a new project created, sorry. So what I can do is just I can go to this folder, and we can start the Claude using the just writing the Claude, right? So it is saying that, okay, just go ahead. And so what we can do is now, if you can see, well, okay, my bad. We have to do is we have to go to this directory. I forgot about the cd, right? So now you have to start the Claude. Now we are starting the Claude, we are in the src folder, and I'm gonna say to Claude that in my main.java file, you can see this is our main.java in the src folder, right? In my main.java file, please write a function to find out if a number is even or odd. Let's say, for example, let's say if the Claude is intelligent enough to write a small piece of code and simple and straightforward code, right? So there you go. So yes, so let's see, it is saying that I have added the function, right? So let's see. Okay, it has added the function is even, right? So now we can use it, we can use it to find out if it is even or odd, right? So we can call the function is even to, it should give us true. Two is an even number, right? And 5, it will give us false. So this way you can use the Claude Code, and it is the simplest way you can interact with. Other than that, you can write your, I think, uh, the, the, the way you are using, and the much you will use it, it will get the context of your current directory and current code, and it will suggest you the better, the code and the best practices. So that's all from today's video. Thank you very much.